In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Strava server has encountered an error. Please contact support if the problem persists. So before you contact support, you're supposed to troubleshoot this and your problem should be fixed. So if you have tried several times after encountering this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get started, first we need to troubleshoot our Strava app. To do this, go to settings. And from settings, look for this option, apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Strava, tap on it to open. Here, go to for stop and OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and finally OK. Then clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and see if your Strava app now works without the error. However, if the error still persists, then check and see if you are using any VPN. This might be the reason you are experiencing this. Turn off your VPN, and also if you have any recently installed security app, you'll need to turn it off or uninstall it to see if that fixes your problem. Then you want to go and check for any update through Google Play Store. If you're on Android or App Store, search for Strava and update your app to the latest version. At this point, now everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if the error still continues or persists, then most likely Strava might have experienced internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes and try to log in, and now the problem should be fixed. However, even after trying severally without finding a solution, then you'll have to take a further step and contact Strava to see if the support team can help you. So let me know which of these steps was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.